Hopefully everyone is doing fine today. So happy Sunday. Sorry, Sunday, not Sunday. So happy Monday. So hopefully you don't have the Monday blues. So get up, and get ready for the next class. So since you know that the virus of COVID-19 is spreading really fast, so let's have the online session for our class, which is ECH 3120. Okay, we will move on to the next chapter, which is second chapter. Okay, last time we learned about how to relate the Maxwell relations from the fundamental property relation, right? So I can see that a lot of group has produced really impressive works, especially group 0. Okay, let's take a look at your your task. Okay, this is group 0, but next time make sure that you present or you send to me. This one is good, but it's hard for me to click on the link. Yeah? Okay, I can click straight away. All right, good. Okay, let's take a look at these presentations by Subhasini and group 0. So this is how she she derived the Maxwell relations. So because I'm quite impressed because they are using Prezi, which is the only group that used this Prezi. So I would like to compliment this group because they are interactive and they are being one step ahead from the rest of the class. Okay, so basically there are four, right? Internal energy, U enthalpy, Helmholtz and Gibbs free energy derived from the thermodynamic potential. So they derive one by one, which is according to the step. Step 1, step 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this is how deriving from internal energy. And from enthalpy, they don't really derive. It's okay, no problem. They derive slightly, but it's not really clear. So maybe next time you can ensure that it is clear so that I can give you like full marks. And this one also, the previous one, it is very small, so I could not really see the Helmholtz. This one is quite small, but actually I can read it, but it's not right because you don't really zoom like you did for enthalpy. It's okay, you can always improve. Okay, all right. Thank you to group 0. And next group that we have is, how do I escape this? Oh, it's okay, all right. Okay, next group I can see here, I think group I, right? Hold on. Yeah, group I. Because actually it is good because you produce the infographic, which is really clear. Maybe you can make it this one because the font is not clear. So the rest I think is good because you are using the good font, the good color, everything. So this is the assignment, and they also give the link to this presentation, which I think, yeah, of course, is a good thing because they have provided two options for me, which of course I, because I can see I think around two, right, two group have provided two works, group I and another group I cannot recall, but there are two groups that produced two works, that submitted two works, which is of course I will give bonus mark because they are giving more than I need, and the quality is also good. All right, so good job to these two group and good job to everyone because you put a lot of efforts, and I can see that you are doing really good for this course so far. All right. Okay, so let's move on to the next sections. Because actually I could not really make the sessions too long because or else it's going to be buffering for the uploading to YouTube. Okay, so I think let's start first, and we will continue with the second session.